morning, you lovely people. It is Monday the 12th of May 2025 and it's another great day for Cape Bumble expedition. We're going to try packing some miles today, maybe 200, maybe 250 miles, 400 kilometers, like we did yesterday from Gothenburg to here in Mora, which is mid-Sweden. And so we're heading north still. Got a long way to go before the official start at Nordkapp. I'll catch you later. Have a great day. Bye just now. Good morning, you lovely people. We've already started the day before you did. We were up and away at 6 o'clock this morning. It's now 8:15, so that's 5 a.m. UK time. But saying that, I was awake at 3:30. I could easily have gone. It was daylight. The sun was coming up. Oh, this is in the land of the north. But I thought, I can't leave at that time. It's far too early. So I dozed for a little bit and eventually got up at 5:15 and then hit the trail. So we've done a few kilometers this morning. 294. Look like we've done over 100 kilometers already this morning. And that sun, man, is so in their eyes. I've just put my normal glasses back on, but talk about tired eyes and sunshine. Oh man, you find me in the cab, my home, while we put away these miles. It's quite basic in here. So there you have the hatch into the cabin. No one beside me, and that's Nala from Lion King. Don't have many mod cons in here. Not many mod cons, but it's comfy enough. We get the job done. So I don't have air conditioning. I have a very good heater, which I'll tell you I needed this morning. It was so cold, and it's just lovely out there. Oh man, yes, and it's just bright. We have a little radio up there with a CD player, my camera, my other camera. That's about it really. So most things work. The big things that are important work. So where we go today? Well, I have my map holder here. I call it the dashboard. Yesterday we did quite a lot of miles. 280 miles, 400 plus kilometers. That was a long day. Is that right? There, look, there's Elsa. She likes to poke her head through. So last night we stayed at a place called, I don't know how you pronounce it, Hotting, but we're getting fairly north now. I have no idea how I'm going to say this, so forgive me, those locally in Swedish. So we just come through a place called Wilhelmina, something like that. So we're heading for Arvidsjaur. I think that's how you pronounce it. Forgive me. Man. And then we're sort of like heading north and north and north and north. I don't know, will we get to the Norwegian border today? We shall see, we shall see. But I'm in the mood for getting some miles done. And we're doing this, we're doing this for MND Association, the Motor Neurone Disease, also known as ALS, and Macmillan Cancer Support, which is based back in the UK, providing nurses for those who need some help in their poor state. Oh man, and my heart goes out to them, so I'm raising awareness, trying to inspire people to do similar sort of things. I'm not quite sure this is what you want to do. In 26-year-old Dolly, I'm going to bat out the miles today, loving it, absolutely loving it. You'll love this road, E45. I know it's the name of a cream as well. Other creams are available. It goes all the way up the centre of Sweden. And if you like trees, lots and lots, did I say lots? You'll love it. The road is empty. The river behind me looks absolutely perishingly cold. We'll see where we end up today. Hello, you beautiful people. It's now Wednesday and it's so cold. But anyway, we're in Finland. Yes. Welcome. I'll see you later. Bye. Yesterday, 2 wheel nuts on the near side, front, sheared off, cut off, and so we're running without 2 wheel nuts at the moment. Hopefully everything's going to be okay. The remaining 4 nuts, and we're going to hopefully get it new studs, nuts, and we can then go into Norway. So Liam's now going to weld these 2 new bolts as a temporary fix to get me going again, so we can get the 2 new nuts to hold the wheel on. So watch him in action. New bolts and studs. What a man Liam is. Well, hello you lovely people. It's the afternoon and it is cold. We're on the border between Sweden and Norway. I have to wait 24 hours for the tablets to take effect with the girls, and then they'll let us into Norway. We are ready to rock and get into the lovely Norway. Go see some friends, and then we're going to head north.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
Good morning, you lovely people. It's me again. Here we are. We've just left Narvik and we're heading north on this beautiful, beautiful day in this beautiful place. Northern Norway. Thoroughly recommend it to you. You can't just drive through here without stopping and admiring the scenery. Great people too. I've had a lovely stay here at Narvik, and now we're heading north. I'm not sure how far we'll get today. It's just gone 1 o'clock in the afternoon here, but we're loving it, and we're going to have a nice easy day today, full of tunnels no doubt, great mountains. And so remember what I'm doing this for. Do great causes. I'll see you again soon. You take care. Lots of love. Bye just now. Bye.